Hi guys, just wanted to give you guys an update. My pug, she's doing better. She didn't eat all day yesterday, but this afternoon she finally drank some water and she ate. She's over there snoring now. Yesterday we had rain all day, and then the temperature dropped, it changed to sleet, and then snow. So we have, we probably got maybe 1.5 inches. But some of the schools canceled because the main roads were just wet from cleaning them and salting them. But a bunch of the back roads this morning, come time to go to school, were not even plowed at all. So our road was just wet when Dan left at 5 o'clock this morning. Probably about 6 o'clock last night, he went to go take a shower, and I was going to start cooking supper. Our power flickered about 3 or 4 times within 5 minutes, and then went completely out. They said it would be 1:30 this morning before the power came back on, and we went to bed at 7 because it got cold in here. About 12:30 we got text message saying 11 p.m. tonight. Then early in the morning got a text message from the power company saying 4 p.m. today. So I thought, well, okay, 4 o'clock's better than 11. And then about 11:30 this morning the power came back on. So I was able to make a pot of coffee, I made boxed macaroni and cheese and had some of that. I put tuna in it. But before the power came back on, I stayed in bed. I was up for a little bit and then stayed in bed to stay under the blankets and stay warm. And I didn't sleep. I was just laying there, but my body feels it from being in bed from last night to almost noon today. My neck hurts from laying so much and stuff, but anyways, that's a little update, and keep those prayers coming for my grandma that's got dementia. So she's doing all right, but just she needs lots of prayers, because as time goes on, the dementia will progress. So she's in the early stages now, but so yeah, and that no power for that long was crazy. And usually when our power goes off, it's usually off anywhere from 18 to 24 hours. So yeah, had that to deal with. So, and I don't usually drink coffee in the afternoon, but because I had to wait till almost noon, I sucked that cup of coffee down quick. So, and that macaroni and cheese, I turned that burner on high, got it cooked and made in no time, and ate a little bowl full, and didn't even make it through the little bowl full and started feeling full. So we had no supper last night. I ate a few bugles and he didn't eat nothing. Then this morning I ate 2 pieces of bread with peanut butter on them. So, but we're all back to normal now. So but we had power lines come down from the wet snow. The tree branches brought power lines down. There was accidents all over the place. In town, there was a transformer that blew. Out here by us, there was some poles that were split and lines that were brought down and stuff. So hopefully this is the last snow for this for the year, and hopefully by Monday or Tuesday it'll be melted away. So just a little update.